Alright, it's Sunday night here and I'm in the shed. Engine's still in the car. I've been pretty busy this week, but I managed to get both the manifolds off and pull all the wiring and everything out of the way. The car's probably going to go down to tough mounts in the next week or so, just when we find time just to rip it out. But there's lots of good things happening. It was pretty depressing with the whole situation, but you know, barras are pretty common now, and you know, we'll get to the bottom of it. And the bonus being is that it's a good chance to maybe do a few upgrades at the same time. So good thing is the transmission, we already plan to update that and put a reed case around it. I've already got the reed case, it's been sitting there, so that's going to go up to MV Automatics. And the engine, that's going back to Atomic in Sydney. I'm hoping to get over there to be there when we pull it all apart, but obviously with lockdowns and stuff like that, I did jinx myself by saying that in the last video, but hopefully that'll all be over in the next week or so, fingers crossed. Then I can get over there and hang out with Brad and Tom and the guys, pull it apart, have a look, see what's going on. We'll get it sorted, shouldn't be a big problem. But at the same time, I've decided I'm going to make a few changes to the water air intercooler setup. So haven't decided exactly what yet, but I'm just going to get around to it. It's not going to be a big job, but it'll help with a few other bits in the car, but it'll also make the car easier to work on. Other than that, just a really quick update just to let people know, because it's been really humbling and amazing how many people have been so supportive in the comments, and just, you know, other people with barras and stuff like that. Had a chat with Benny from Benny's Custom Works the other day. He'd been through a few similar issues as well, so it's good to know that other people that are in the same situation as me are willing to reach out and sort of throw in their 2 cents worth as well. But obviously the thing was bags of fun to drive, even, you know, only on 20 pounds a piece. So I'm really looking forward to getting the engine sorted, getting it back in, getting it back on the road. Going to update a few things with the Haltech as well, so chatting to Matt and the guys there. So it's a bummer, but yeah, it's also a really good chance to change a few things I wanted to change anyway, rather than sort of doing it down the track. So do it all now, rip the bonnet off. We did just vinyl wrap it, but the plan was to paint it anyway. So because that's going to have to come off to get the engine out, I'm going to send that off and get it painted. And then just, yeah, little bits and pieces. And I'll probably organise a set of beadlock wheels for the back, just for when we do get it to the drag. So a little bit of progress. And a quick update as well, everyone keeps wondering who's been following Frank the Tank build. Do have this wonderful bit of gear here, which is happening on this. It looks like a bit of a whole stack of wiring at the moment, but this is a PVS steering wheel from Jamie and the crew at PVS in Sydney. With them and 2 other companies, Command Cruise Control and JLED Customs, we have this going in. This has all the stereo controls, has cruise control, which is already working on the car, and also paddle shift. So that is going to be on the car very soon. So a very cool bit of gear. Anyway, I'm going to get back into this, keep ripping stuff off, and I'll see you very soon.